Hello there. Welcome to the latest episode of ActiveCollab Recaps. We're ending this year with task estimate splitting, redesigned project templates, and a better Invoices report. We're also finishing up the long-awaited ActiveCollab Self-Hosted version 8. Keep watching to learn more. Time estimate splitting. One of the most requested features has arrived. To better balance your workload and avoid overwhelm, you can now automatically split multi-day tasks into manageable time chunks. Decide how much time you'd like to spend on a task each day so it fits more easily with your other to-dos. And if you adjust one time slot, the remaining time will be automatically updated too. You can also split time estimates directly in workload, making it easier to plan capacity and distribute workload in line with your team's availability. Project templates. Since 50% of projects in ActiveCollab are created from a template, we improved the interface and made managing templates easier. We also added due dates to subtasks, as well as time variables. Thanks to time variables, we'll automatically add values known once you've started a project from a template. These updates will help you save more time and start new projects smoothly. Invoices Report. We revamped the Invoices Report and added filters, sorting options, and presets, which enable you to create custom reports whenever you want. ActiveCollab Self-Hosted version 8. On December 30th, we'll start rolling out ActiveCollab Self-Hosted version 8. A number of users will have early access to try out the platform as we release updates in batches. The full launch is scheduled for February 3rd, 2026. Your workspace will be enriched with over 100 new and improved features built to support your daily operations and long-term goals. A special thank you goes out to our team who worked hard on both the cloud and the self-hosted versions this year. And thank you for relying on us. That's it for December. Happy holidays and see you back in 2026.